Hey guys, this is your boy Romeo back. So in this one, it's going to be a long one. This one is worth 10 points. So we're going to be basically creating a storage class, PV, PVC, and then we are going to create a pod and attach all those bad boys. Ooh, this should be a fun one. Let's go ahead and start. Then we're going to create a storage class named fast storage. Let's go ahead and copy that. Did it copy? Maybe. So we are going to do vim fast storage.yaml boy, and we are going to go into the storage classes resources over here. We are going to use this bad boy because why not? And we are going to remove all the stuff that we don't need from here, right? So first is the name, right? Or before we even get into that, let's go ahead and just delete the crap that we don't need. We have a provisioner, volume binding of immediate. So we're going to delete some stuff. This. Allow expansion, we don't need it. Reclaim, we don't need it. Annotations, we don't need it. All we need is the name, right? And let's go into insert mode. Because I'm a bad boy now, I use vim. That's how dangerous I am now. Let's go ahead and delete this guy and the provisioner, this guy. All right, so we got this fast storage, we got this guy, and the binding mode, we forgot to set this to immediate. So it is just one. There's two M's. 88. Man, let me go ahead and copy that. I feel like I'm spelling this wrong. There we go. And if you want to learn more about that, or if I said it right, I think we did. Yep. So, yep, that is correct. So let's go ahead and do WK Q create. We are going to create this fast storage real quick. Create and Q get SC. All right, so here it is. Kubernetes. Now we need to create a persistent volume. Okay, so that one is going to be a good one. Let's go ahead and go to persistent volumes in here. So with the name of fast PV CKA with a storage capacity of 50 and using the storage class with read write once. So we got to use this storage class. All right. Do we have anything here about storage class? Storage class. How are we going to add this? And what we're creating right here is a PV, not a PVC. So storage class. Okay, I think so storage class PV. Let me see if we find a good one. One that will have most of the stuff that we need. Mounts, volumes. This is a pod. We don't need that. Come on, PV. Capacity. This is a pod again. Volume. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look at this one. Persistent volumes. This should be good, but they want us to have a capacity of this, and they want us to host path. So we got to do a host path over here. So anything that says host path in here. Host path. Pod. Persistent volume. There we go. That's the one we need. Sometimes you need to learn how to search here. So storage class, local storage. Then this is the one that we need, guys. What are y'all thinking? I'm gonna go ahead and copy this bad boy real quick, real fast. This is a pod, and this is a persistent value. That's the one we need. Let's go ahead and do Vim real quick. And what are we gonna name this? Fast PV and then CKA. That YAML. Okay, so tell me what you need, guys. Tell me what you need. Storage capacity. It's the first thing that I want to do. This one is going to be 50, capital M, lowercase I. Have to remember that. The name of it is this guy right here. Copy and paste. Volume. File system is fine. Read write once. Per system. They don't mention this guy, so I'm just gonna delete it. Local storage is a-okay, but the path that I want to do over here, let's go ahead and do an insert. It's going to be in the TMP. Fast data. How you like me now? And we are going to remove all this node stuff, affinity, because we don't need it. Okay, so I think that's good right here. Let's see what happens now. Let's go ahead and WK K create fast K create file fast fast PV. Ooh, invalid. No specific affinity require value. Local value requires another fill-in. What? Since when? Sure. Okay, I'm back. I had to pause this video because the wife called me, and yeah, it was just too much stuff. Okay, so I think I'm doing this wrong because I went. Okay, we got 32 minutes. We got plenty of time. So this local path, they want us to do a PV persistent volume with permission read write and host path. So we need to do a host path. So I remember I did it for my on Code Cloud CKA. So I went into my notes and I see it over here, right? But I cannot find this thing in the Kubernetes documentation. What is going on? Volumes, maybe just volumes. Host path. Okay, that no, because it's not a pod that we are creating. We are creating a PV. This is just pod. Like, am I losing my mind? I cannot find one that's for a PV. Like, what's going on here? PV host path and non-root. These are discussion right here. Maybe this guy has some code in here that I could use, or I can just use mine. But I do not. Host path. Okay, now deployment, yada yada yada. Host path, PV, volumes. Why can I find anything about this? If you know what it is, please leave it below. I'm just going to use what I have here. So we have the capacity and just host path. That's all we need over here, right? So the storage class, they're saying that they want a storage class, storage class name, capacity using the fast storage class. Okay. I think I got it. Let's delete this guy, right? We are going to add this bad boy in here. And this one needs to be a fast storage. I think that's what it is. Maybe we can just search it in here, right? I usually just what I do to verify that this is in here. Storage classes. I think it's just called fast. I mean, it is saying using the fast storage class. No, I think it's just like this, fast storage class. Host path, right? We are going to go into TMP fast data. All right, so this should be good. This should be good. Now host path, rewrite once, file system. Okay, let's see if this works. Let's see if this works. Oh, created. Boom, created. Oh, there we go. Host path. I cannot find host path in Kubernetes. What is going on? Host path. Nothing about this this host path. Why is it they don't want you to use it, or what's the thing about this? What if I use colon here, host path? But this is for a pod, right? This is not. I don't know. Maybe they just don't know. Whatever. Okay, we got it created. That is great. Now we are going to create a PVC, which is a persistent volume claim. We are going to name this guy fast PVC CKA that requests 30 MI of storage from the fast PVC CKA using the fast storage class. Wonderful, wonderful. This is great. Storage class, right? They have a really good one in here. No, we are going to create a PVC. Sorry, PVC, not a storage class. Persistent volume claims, PVC. They should be dynamic volume provision. Persistent volumes. There's a PVC. PVC. They should have a good one down here. I think if I go to persistent volume claims, there we go. Oh, fast, easy peasy. Storage class name, fast storage, right? That's all we need to do. We're going to copy this guy in here, and we're going to do a Vim because I'm smart now. I use Vim. I don't use Nano. Okay, fast PVC. Oh no. PVC. I don't know why I got this new mouse. This is killing me. CKA. So it is. We are going to paste this guy in here, right? We don't need to match any of this. We don't need any selectors. Storage class name. This guy in here needs to be the fast storage. Making sure you spell that right, or you're gonna have issues. The resource right here, storage, is going to be 30 MI, capital M, lowercase I. Remember that. File system, read write once, right? Which is what we have over here. The name of it, what's the name that you want to name this bad boy? Fast PVC CKA. Forgety. Okay. So using the fast storage class. Yeah, we got that. We got that covered, guys. We got that. Okay, anything else that we need in here, or anything that we want to delete because we don't need it? No, I think this is it. Okay, so if now we do a WK and then we do a K create F. Oh, I didn't do a YAML here. I need to move this, guys. MV fast PVC YAML. How about now? Awesome, I like it. So we can do a K create fast. Oh, I always fast PVC CKA YAML. Boom. So if we do a K get PVC, we can see that it's bound. So it is working. It was bound. It is now, the PVC is now bound to the PV. So the persistent volume claims has been bounded to the PV, right, to the persistent volume. So this is great. This means that it is working. You see the storage class over here. So that is great. We did a great thing. Now we got to create this pod. So we're going to create a pod named fast pod CKA with the NGINX latest image, right? And that uses the fast PVC CKA PVC and mounts the volume to the app. Awesome. This is great. I like this one. I think this one we can get it from pods maybe. And in here, what we want to look for is mounts probably. So if you look for mount, nothing about mount, nothing. Okay, so we can go to, I think we can go to the volumes one, persistent volumes in here. If we go to, if we search for like kind pod, right? We see this guy right here. This is the one we need right here. This is the perfect one right here. This is everything we need, everything we ever wanted. So I'm not going to do any imperative command. I'm just going to be doing a declarative command, right? So for this one, declarative again. So we are going to name this fast pad CKA, and don't forget to do the YAML. Paste that bad boy in here. So the kind is pod. That is great. That is wonderful. The name, what do we want to name this? What is a fast pad CKA, right? Fast pad CKA with the NGINS latest and greatest. So we can go to NGINX latest and greatest. The name of the container is NGINX. That's what I just want to name it. All right. Don't fight me on this one. So here, the value mounts. What do we want to mount? We want to mount the app data. So we can delete this bad boy over here. This name, we can touch it if we want it. I don't want to touch it. And then the claim name. So this is the name of the claim and the PVC. So we need to get this fast PVC. Right? There we go. And if you want to look at it, you can go to tab number 2, open a new tab over here, and you can do the get PVC. Yep, fast PVC CKA. Awesome sauce. App data, fast PVC CKA, looking good. So my PD is going to mount to PV, so it's to my PD, right? If we wanted to change this, oh wait, my battery is dying. Give me 1 second, yo. Okay, I'm back. I plugged in the power electricity. Okay, so what is happening over here? A lot of things are happening. So I have my volume mounts, right? This is what is going to mount on my container, right? We're going to mount app data to that container, and then we are telling it that I want to send that data to this volume, my PD volume, and this volume is attached to the fast PVC, and the fast PVC is attached to the fast PV CKA. You got it? Yeah, that makes sense. A lot of sense. And I think it's going to work. These two need to match. If they don't match, those two names, whatever you name it, you can name whatever you want, but they need to match. If they don't match, it is not going to work, guys. All right, trust me on that one. WK, do K, create F, fast pod CKA, Dayamo, boom, create it. Did we do everything correctly? Did we do everything? We can do a K get pod, or no, K get thing is all. We got everything in here. We get the pod fast. We get the service. There's a service here, whatever. We can get the PV. Yes. We get the PVC. Yes. And we can get the SC, which is fast storage. Not doing really anything. But yeah, that's it. Everything is running. Everything should be good. Let's take a look at this and see what we find. Let's go. We did it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. And if you guys can find this dang it host path on the Kubernetes, stuff, on the Kubernetes documentation, please leave me a comment on the description below. Host path, cannot find host path anywhere in Kubernetes. What if we just do like, I don't know, Kubernetes host path, Kubernetes docs host path. What is this host path? There's nothing that specifies host path in the documentation. I don't know why. I just learned that from the code cloud, how to do that. I cannot find it. Configure a pod to use persistent volume for storage. Is it in here? Did I lie to myself? Persistent volume. Look at that. They have it there. Okay, cool. But why? Where is this? This is under tasks. Cool. All right. Maybe I'll find that next time. Well, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.